Okay, I'm on another mission. I just rented a U-Haul, getting a bunch of pavers from like 3 different sources. So here I go. I don't know how to drive this thing. It's 6x12. It's night, almost, and I'm mostly dead. But check this out. 20 loads of bricks. So this is what we've been up to. Doesn't seem like that much, but oh my god. Stop. Saving a baby turtle. There you go, buddy. Okay, I just picked up another load of bricks and I'm on my way to the last stop. Okay, unloaded, one more round. Just making a pit stop. Ouch. This is the next patio I'll be digging up. don't know how I did it, but I was able to pull up the whole patio. It took me like so many trips and it was uphill, and but I got it. I think there's something wrong with my finger. I don't think the skin above my nail is supposed to be that pale color. Hey, so you know I've been gathering bricks for days? Well, all of those, all of those, all of those, and all of those. All of these. I'm way too tired to work on anything else, so I'm taking a day off.